How to see your watch history on TikTok. Need to find videos you have already watched on TikTok but don't know where or how to find them? No problem. The TikTok Watch History feature is here to help. With just a few simple steps, you can easily locate any video you have watched in the past. To see your watched videos, first, launch the TikTok application on your Android phone or iPhone. On the TikTok app home screen, tap the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines menu at the top right. And then, select Settings and Privacy. Tap Activity Center to proceed. What you have to do next is simply tap Watch History. Now you will be able to see all of the videos you have watched, with the most recent videos you have watched at the top of the list. And that's all. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.